When levelling up the kitchen, what you're going to need to do is start from its highest point. Now in this particular case here, we actually have a dishwasher panel, and the dishwasher panel is going down to the floor, so that's our highest point. So what we need to do is, as the floor's dipping out or raising up, we need to adjust the kitchen so it's nice and level, based exactly upon this point in here. Now in this particular case, and this is not that unusual, this is the highest point of the kitchen that goes up on here on the dishwasher panel, but as you can see the floor dips right away, close to 16 millimeters, back there into the corner. So there's not a lot we can do there. Obviously when the tiler comes in and does his tiling around there, he'll cover up to there, but this is where we have to go off our highest point of our kitchen. Okay, we're just checking the level of the kitchen now. One thing that we can do with the kitchen is that we can get micro adjustments in the leveling of it, and that's all because of these plastic adjustable legs that are down the bottom. These serve as two purposes. Number one is we get a much more accurate level along the top of the kitchen cabinets, and secondary is that if there is a water spill, so say for example in 5 years your dishwasher hose decides to leak, then these won't rot, so we won't have to pull the kitchen out if there is a major water damage in the kitchen area. Once you've actually got the kitchen leveled up, you can then level up all the rest of the legs to go with it. So normally what happens is you would level it up in the corner leg over here, you might level up with this leg, you might level up with this leg. Once you've actually got it level, then you can wind these legs down so they're sitting firmly on the floor. So you don't have to level every single leg up right from the start. You generally pick probably 3 spots, you level those up. Once you've got it level, then you can just simply wind the other legs down so they're sitting on the floor. Okay, screw fitting to the back of the cabinet. That's your stud that's going down through there. So we're just putting a screw hole in. And just screw fitting it to the back of the cabinet using a 50mm screw.